everyone, welcome to Plan My Health. Today I am here to talk about the Women Wellness Package at Plan My Health. As women, it becomes very important for us to take more care of ourselves than regular. ये इसीलिए है बिकॉज एज वीमेन हम हमारे एंटायर लाइफ स्पैन में काफ़ी चेंजेस से गुजरते हैं. हमारी लाइफ साइकिल्स और हमारे लाइफ स्टाइल्स बहुत बार चेंज होते हैं. बी इट बायोलॉजिकल और बी इट इमोशनल, there are so many changes that happen in a woman's life. It is not like these changes should not happen. Changes सबकी लाइफ में होते हैं, but taking care of these changes is very important. So at Plan My Health, we provide you with the Women Wellness Package. This package consists of various facilities such as teleconsultation with the doctors, such as general physicians, including medical tests, taking care of your wellness, taking care of your mental health. We take care of your wellness sessions such as yoga, exercise. We have regular diet consultations, and we also have other value-added benefits. To begin with, this package is spread over a period of 6 months, and there are various services that we provide to you within these 6 months. To be more specific, हम एज वेमेन बहुत सारे हार्मोनल चेंजेस से गुजरते हैं एज एंड व्हेन वी एज, एंड दीज हार्मोनल चेंजेस आर वेरी नेचुरल. ये बहुत एक नेचुरल चीज़ है, सबके बॉडीज़ में होते हैं, मेन के बॉडीज़ में भी होते हैं, बट वेमेन की बॉडीज़ में ये काफ़ी अलग तरह से पेश आते हैं. सो व्हेन वी गो थ्रू दीज हार्मोनल चेंजेस, इट बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर मेंटल एंड इमोशनल वेलबींग, बिकॉज दीज हार्मोन्स कैन imply their effect on your physical as well as your emotional and mental well-being. So it is important to take care of your mood swings, of your anxiety, of your panics, or whatever you feel during this period, and it is very important to look into all these, and therefore things like depression, anxiety can set in without you knowing of it. तो इसीलिए इसका ध्यान रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Therefore, at Plan My Health, we have the Women Wellness Package, under which in the psychological consultation, we also look into any special or specific needs for counseling if there are any. For example, such as depression, anxiety, or any other triggers that we might find during the basic counseling session. And we take it from there. To add on, there are also other availabilities in this package such as the diet consultation, your physical exercise, yoga, etc., which will be taken care of, and it will be guided to you further by my team.
Hello everyone, so I am a nutrition consultant at Plan My Health. I am here to help you all beautiful ladies with all the extra nourishment and care by giving a very healthy diet plan according to your body goals. So we as a women also needs extra care of our body because we go through a lot of mental and physical changes throughout our life. For an example, we face a lot of premenstrual syndrome or mood swings because of the menstrual cycle that we go through every month. Also in future you're going to give birth to a baby, so it is very important that you take extra care of your bones and muscles for the healthy development of the baby. So consuming a nutritious diet plays a very important role, help you preventing from the future risk of premenstrual syndrome or PCOD, PCOS, or obesity and heart related disease. So for all you beautiful women, we at Plan My Health are here to help you with the same.
A woman is someone who cares for everyone but neglects herself. You might have come to know about the emotional care and nutritional care we provide here at Plan My Health. But in this sedentary lifestyle, it becomes very much difficult to have a good physical care. So here at Plan My Health, we provide physical care as well. A woman undergoes various changes in her life, starting from the teenage till the old age. So in all these changes, her physical structure changes, there are hormonal changes. To cope up with all these things, she should have a stronger body. Like in the teenage, there's start of menstrual cycle until the old age when menopause comes. After that also there are many aging changes. Osteoporosis हो जाता है. Osteoporosis मतलब हड्डियाँ brittle हो जाती है, easily breakable. तो ये सब changes बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं एक women के लिए. तो ये सब के लिए उनका body should be strong, and by doing a proper physical care you can prevent those aging degenerative changes. At Plan My Health, we take care of women from all the age groups, and in this duration of 6 months, you'll be provided proper care, proper guidance about your physical care. Like you'll be having yoga sessions with which will be divided evenly in the entire duration of 6 months. You'll be having gym training sessions and physiotherapy sessions as well. You will definitely find joy in this journey of 6 months with us. Until now, you might have known that we provide all the basic care like emotional care, nutrition care, physical care, which includes yoga, meditation, gym, physiotherapy sessions. So, we actually give care from all the perspectives. The care which you are looking for. So, in this entire duration of 6 months, you can contact to us anytime if you have any queries regarding to your healthcare. Make yourself a priority and start caring for yourself by connecting to us at Plan My Health and our package of women wellness. We will make sure to give you proper guidance, preventive care and treatment in the entire journey.